Quiet, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Please off your cell phone, radio, and we start conducting the briefing agenda for the Rizal earthquake on September 15, 2000, 1,000 hours. And these are the incident objectives. Ensure the safety of the responders and general public throughout the operational period. Evacuate effective residents in southern and eastern areas of Rizal to evacuate center within 12 hours. Conduct search and rescue operation to the trapped student of the Ridgewood School within 12 hours. Conduct clearing and operation in the national highways with landslide incident within 12 hours. And lastly, restoration of the basic services like water and electricity to the affected areas within 12 hours. For the current situation updates, discussed by the Operation Section Chief, Benny Lagasca.
Magandang umaga, responders. Situation update, 0600 hours as of September 16, 20XX. Aftershocks are observed, emergency response are ongoing. 10 reported deaths and several missing persons. 200 families were evacuated. Electrical power results and central grid seems to be damaged. Yung request po natin resources ay dumating na. That's all for the update. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. For weather forecast updates, discussed by Resources Unit, Ryan Santiago.
Morning responders. For the weather update, our weather is fair. The wind is about 17 kilometers per hour, out of the southwest, and the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Aftershocks may occur from time to time, so keep safe. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. For operational assignment discussed by Ma'am Benny Lagasca, the Operational Section Chief.
Good morning once again. For the operational assignments, Division Alpha with your supervisor, Vice Ganda, will stay here. Nasaan na kayo? You will be assigned in this area. Search and rescue team will provide medical assistance at rest for critical ill persons to hospitals and first aid stations. For Division B with your leader, Boy Abonda. Nasaan na kayo?
Dito po.
You will be stationed in this area. You will conduct relief operation, provide transportation to the evacuees, and conduct continuing education to the victims. Security group, nasaan na kayo? With your leader, Coco Loco. You will be deployed in the different area of Rizal, particularly in this area to provide security and law enforcement in your area of responsibility. For restoration group with your leader, Troy Cancho, nasaan na kayo? You will be deployed in these facilities to facilitate the restoration and communication and conduct stress briefing to the victims. For the clearing group, where are you?
Here.
Will be deployed in this area to provide water supply and conduct clearing operation. Is it clear, responders?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have questions, refer to ICS Form 204 for your respective data and area of assignment, or you can approach me anytime. Thank you and good day.
Thank you, ma'am. For the safety briefing discussed by the Safety Officer, James Domingo.
Okay, good morning responders. Make sure to size up the area before conduct of tactical operation and wear proper PPE and stay hydrated, work in body-body system, and watch out for falling debris, dangling and broken electrical lines, and anticipate for possible aftershocks. Is that clear, responders?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. For the logistical concern discussed by the Logistics Section Chief, Arturo Narciso.
Good morning, responders. For those concerned, just refer to Form 215. As you can see, we have 5 channels. Channel 1 is the IMT with the corresponding number of 34560. Channel 2 is clearing team with the corresponding of 448075. And channel 3 is the evacuation team with the corresponding number of 11540. Channel 4, search and rescue team with the corresponding number of 43115. And channel 5 is the restoration team with the corresponding number of 54321. Provide status updates regularly via designated communication channels and report and towards event immediately. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. For medical unit concerned, Miss Eureka Katrina, Doctor.
Good morning, responders. This will be our medical plan. For the minor procedures, responders will be brought to Belo Medical Station located at 143 Gabriela Silang Street, Rizal. Contact person is Miss Victoria Belo with the number of 0917-556-999. For the major procedures, responders will be brought at Rizal General Hospital located at Borong 5, Pepe Street, Rizal. Contact person is Mr. Hayden Poe with the number of 0915-143-4461. For those who will be needing emergency transport services, contact person is Mr. Chris Evans located at the staging area with the contact number 0915-666-3546. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. For financial concern, discussed by the Finance Administrative Section Chief, Abigail Oliti.
Good morning to all. We have enough funds for this operation. Please make sure every purchases are supported with receipt and also documented for reimbursement. And for responders, proper timing and time out. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. For the information current updates, discussed by the Public Information Officer, Annabel Madriaga.
Good morning, responders and spectators. Gathered data and coordinated information are at my hand, so to the media personnel. Kung may mga katanungan kayo, you can drop at my place, and we will be having a press conference after this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. For the operating agencies, discussed by the Liaison Officer, Neil Madriaga.
Morning, responders. For our coordination, we coordinated with government agencies from provincial government, LGU, NGO, and other companies. From the provincial government, they gave 200 packs of bottled waters, 200 canned goods, cup noodles, and 200 biscuits. From LGU, they gave essential needs such as bath soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, tabo, timba, and slightly used clothes. From Jollibee Corporation, they gave 200 food packs and bottled waters. For any other needs, just swimming or any other details.
Thank you, sir.